This is the first plant. It's destroyed. It is right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are fine. I hope that you are amazing. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another video. Today happens to be a Wednesday. Let me see. Wednesday 21st. Yes, 21st of December 2022. I can't believe it that actually I have vlogged even up to this far. I never thought in my life, okay, if you're a very long hand of my channel, you definitely know that I love vlogging and uploading videos, but I never thought that even I would have the energy and the resources to be able to do vlogmas and actually upload videos every day, and slightly longer videos of high quality and with all the demanding factors they come with, for example, data and every time being filming and editing. I'm so grateful. Today happens to be, I believe, Vlogmas day 16, 15. I'm not very certain. Yesterday I jumped a day because I was very, very absolutely tired. And I'm going to first gist you of what happened yesterday. So yesterday happened to be 20th of December. The last vlog you guys saw, it was me going to Botanical Hospital with some of my other friends, such as Joshua, to take our books for signing. The books were not signed. We came back with them at home, and that's where we did stop with you guys. That's where I stopped explaining to you guys what happened. But the next day, which happened to be yesterday, we went back. I never vlogged a lot, and the books were stamped and signed by the Senior Principal Nursing Officer, SPNO. Yes, they were signed, and we are also able to successfully take them to Lubaga Hospital. So reaching at Lubaga Hospital, guys, the same person for that particular place, the Senior Principal Nursing Officer, was very, very absolutely busy. She wouldn't sign the books. Also, if you don't know, Lubaga Hospital, it happens to be a Catholic-based hospital, and they are in this season of Christmas and celebrating this and that and that. So she never had the time. So we only got in contact with her secretary, and her secretary gave us that number, in case she signs the books, when to go pick them. And she promised us, I believe, around 1st or 2nd of next year. So that was the whole day. Then I came back in the evening. I actually tried to vlog in the evening, but I hosted my mom and my dad at my house. I just cooked for them milk, tea, and I was also planning to cook them a lot of other things, but time would not allow. They came quite late in the night. But yeah, that was, in the summary, my yesterday. Today happens to be another day, and today's vlog, I'm actually going to be staying at home. Yes, I'm done with making my bed. I want to cook. Definitely I want to be making myself a meal. I haven't thought about that yet, but probably now you have seen from the start what I've cooked. I'm also planning to go plant shopping, or probably plant window shopping. I'm not sure yet of what I'm going to be making. On my mood board, yes, I believe it's called a mood board, on Pinterest, when it comes to plants that I want to add into my house, I have a couple of them that I have already pinned up. Hopefully here you can see, this is the first plant going on over here, and this is the other plant that I opted to pick up, and this is the third one. Yes, so let me know in the comment section below. In case I have not picked up the plant today, which one would you pick? Would you pick that, or this? Right now, I'm going to be just going in and do my to-do list in this book. Going on over here, I almost dropped it. So you guys, I'm actually about to start cooking. I'm going to be again cooking pasta today because currently it has been my absolute favorite. I have already soaked it, as you see going on over here. I'm going to boil it real quick, something like only 10 minutes. And after that, as it boils, actually, I'm going to be cutting my ingredients. All the carrots, I'm going to be cutting them. As you see that they are wearing off. Pasta or the macaroni is actually done. This is how it is looking. I've just boiled it for 10 minutes. Yes, I don't boil it for more than 10 minutes because I know that I'm still cooking it. You can't see it very well because obviously there is a lot of smoke. And these are the ingredients going on over here. I have some carrots. They are actually over, I believe, 70 grams. I have some green pepper. I have my garlic going on over there. I have my tomatoes. I've used about 3 tomatoes. That is around 40 grams. And this is around 80 grams because I love onions. I cook with onions. And this is one of that absolute ingredient most of the time I'm using. Then for other spices, actually, I have rosemary, I have some salt down, I have roiko, I have some pilau masala. I love using pilau masala in my pasta because it gives it that flavor, if that makes sense. Because again, if you don't know, pilau masala has a lot of different ingredients. I have some black pepper. Who cooks actually pasta without black pepper? Check yourself, guys. And lastly, I have some cumin. This is going to be actually one of my first time to use cumin in this particular recipe, but I'm actually here for it. This is the final meal. I'm going to be able to divide this right now onto the plate I'm eating on, and the rest definitely I'm going to be keeping it for later on in that day. So, you guys, I'm finally done with the meal. This is how the plate does look like. It was actually very, very, absolutely nice to just sit down and eat. I actually also put on some salad masala. There is this salad masala from this particular brand. Hopefully, I'll be popping it on screen, but it's very nice. That is the truth. Very, very, absolutely nice. Yeah. So right now I'm going to be putting the plate back. I have to be doing the dishes, but probably I'll be doing that later on. I want to get into the bedroom and read. I think I'm going to be continuing with reading The New Earth by Eckhart. You know, I've read that book now so very many times since I did get it from Comfort. But I think I'm going to be rereading that, yes, in this, last few days, that end of the year. It's all coming back to me. Good evening once again. I think it's high time actually I left right now. I'm actually collecting the money actually I think I'm going to be needing to move out to the plant shops and all that. I've been waiting for. It is actually very near. I'm going to be taking a boda boda as I always take a boda boda to that place. The only thing is that I haven't called yet the plant seller I usually do buy from. But today happens to be Wednesday. I know that he might be there. Rashid taliyo.
Rashid. Waliwo eno weeti naye waliwo wali ennyimpi ziri eri ezakugenda
Za mmeka? Eza green, ezirika green.
eyo nekakakulu yagumu kitano wano mutwalo kati bonna gatta bubiri nze then waliwo obukeenikaamu mulimu omutwalo mukitundu obwo tebiri eri yewatwalako
Bino kino ng'ekiri muno.
kati naako kattaano naye simanyi oba nkyalinawo obw'ettaano
Nakatwalako luli akampaako.
ate kiri ekisembayo
Ekyo teyakimpaako ekyo.
tusobola okufunamu oba kutaano
Soke tulabe mu ekyo. Kina n'ekimuli ekirungi.
nawe tusobola okufunamu mutaano ne buli bwa ttaano nawo bubeerayo obuyinja oba osobola osooka n'obuggyako
Kira kino ekikola ekirungi.
ekintu nekikola ekirungi naye bambi okiteeko ojja n'obiteekako wabweru
Adde sikimanyi kwe byalekeraawo dde okukula.
byakuyamba singa byakalana naye kati olaba mu nnyumba osibawo mubaamu ebbasi
Adde sikimanyi ekyo.
akali wansi
Kano. Oh. So you guys have actually settled with two plants going on over here. This is Catharina zebrina. It's actually a new plant species which I've wanted to try out because of its beautiful leaf. Can you see this, guys? The leaf looks so beautiful. That's why I think it's also called zebrina. So this is the first plant. This was 5,000 Ugandan shillings, and this is the second plant. This is called tea plant or good luck plant or cabbage plant, but it's a little bit destroyed, the leaves, because of the insects and all that, but I want to give it a try. I want to take care of it, and I see if it can actually merge out very, very absolutely well. And I trust that I can be able to take care of it, and actually turns out to heal and to look amazing. But yeah, these are the two plants I've picked out. I went out with an intention to only pick out this, but I found that, and I also felt like it was good. So let's give it a try. That actually brings me to the end of today's vlog. The lighting is not the best, I promise. It is right now, let me see. It is 16 past, concentrate, 16 past 19 past 6 in the evening. Right now I want to start editing this vlog. Thank you very much for watching, and let me meet you in tomorrow's vlog. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.